Hey guys, it's me, Kitty K. Today I'm going to be doing a video today and I hope you guys like it. And also make sure to check my other video out because I announced the giveaway winners, of course. And also guys, I got a cut. I'm pretty sad, but you know, I got mad. But yeah, so let's get on with this video. So today I'm going to be doing kind of like a review and kind of like testing out something. So I'm going to do Beauty Blender versus Morphe sponge. Yes, they are kind of dirty. Don't catch me on that, bro. But you know what? I'm gonna see which one is better. Also, a pro about the Morphe Beauty Blender as well. This is like price points. So this one's $7. Plus, if you put in a code or something, it's probably gonna be like $6, $5 or so. And the Beauty Blender, this is kind of a con of the Beauty Blender, but it's like $20 plus taxes. But it's pretty expensive. But let's see which one's better. So let's get on with this. So let's see how this is, how the coverage is. Okay, so the coverage, it's okay, not the best. Also, I'm gonna be using a concealer as well. So let me move this back real quick. But it is kind of taking away a lot of product, I'm not gonna lie. Put it everywhere, put it on my forehead, make sure to have, oh dude, this cut is bothering me so much. So this is how it's looking like right now. Also, I'm gonna set it, so I'm gonna do a half and half, guys. So this is how the foundation's looking like right now with the Morphe Beauty Sponge, and this is how it looks like. You can kind of see my redness if you can tell from right there. And it did take away some foundation. I see the foundation right here. But let's see how the Beauty Blender looks like on my other side of my face, and let me get that real quick. So I'm already blending this in and everything. So this is with the same foundation. I put the same amount as well because I just want to see like what's the result of which foundation blender is like better. And I feel like the Morphe Beauty Blender is like way less coverage than the actual Beauty Blender. And I can tell as well because you don't see much of my like redness and stuff, because of course I do have redness, and I'm just like blending this out, but I'm noticing that I'm just getting more coverage on this side than the other side. Also, I wanted to say as well, so I got my eyelashes done. I've been missing my regular eyelash, like those little eyelashes that you put on, of course. These are eyelash extensions, and my sister does eyelashes, and you guys should go follow her, Fabulash by Alma. She does really pretty eyelashes. These are how mine are looking like, and they're so pretty, guys. You should just go check her out. I'll put her down right here in the corner. And yeah, so let's get blending this out a little bit more. So what I noticed about both sides, this one has less coverage, this one has more coverage, so you can tell, but also it did take foundation as well. And so I'm gonna grab my concealer and see how they both work out, because you know how like Beauty Blender, it doesn't really have such a like skinny like little thing down. I don't know what to say, but like a skinny shape from here. So let's just see how it looks like with the concealer. So today I have the NARS concealer and shade Vanilla, and right now I'm going to be using my Morphe Beauty Sponge. So I'm just going to apply this like I normally do. I don't put a lot, guys, so just do that, and that's it, you know, that's it. So let's see how it blends out. Okay, so this is what the Morphe blender looks like. You can tell I blended it out and everything. So now we're going to be using the Beauty Blender. So of course, one swipe on my eye. Swipe. Just like the other eye. And I'm going to use the Beauty Blender, of course. Sorry, I like just threw that. So I have my little mirror right here. And I'm just going to blend it out. And so I set my makeup. Also, I put setting spray. I put the Urban Decay All Nighter spray. And so my results of like what I think about like these two. So of course, the winner is Beauty Blender for me, but it's whatever you guys think. It's your opinion if you want less coverage or more coverage. But if you're like a person that wants a little bit more coverage, the Beauty Blender, of course. If you're a person that wants less coverage, I would go with the Morphe Beauty Sponge. They're both good. It's based on what you like, because this is Morphe, this is Beauty Blender, and I feel like the Beauty Blender just worked a little bit more than that. Beauty Blender won this round. But yeah, so if you guys want more like competitions and stuff like that, foundation versus foundation, we can do that as well. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe down below. And yeah, so hope to see you guys in the next video, and bye guys, love you all. Mwah!